I saw you standing there, raindrops in your hair, a quiet glance that pulled me in, a moment rare. Time slowed as the world moved on. I held my breath in that fleeting pause. I wish the world would rest.
So we spoke in whispers, soft as the rain, laughed at the thunder, forgot all the pain. Every word you said, every smile you gave, carved a light inside me, a fire to save.
But life has its plans, it pulls us apart. I chase your echo through the corners of my heart.
Through the falling rain, I'll find you again. Across every storm, every twist life has given. Though the world may turn and the skies may fall, our love is the fire that outshines it all.
We ran through fields, hands clasped tight. Every sunset with you was a spark in the night. The wind carried laughter, rivers carried song, but time moved too fast. I had to move along.
I walked through forests, climbed mountains tall, felt your absence in the silence of it all.
Every leaf, every stone, every sky I see whispers your name, calling out to me.
Yet I believe in a moment beyond pain, where our paths meet again in the falling rain.
No fear, no sorrow, no shadow inside. Just you and me standing, hearts burning bright.
Through the falling rain, I'll find you again. Across every storm, every twist life has given. Though the world may turn and the skies may fall, our love is the fire that outshines it all. Through the
Last in the quiet, the storm fades away. I see your eyes and the clouds give way. Time cannot steal us, nor distance define the love that's forever. Your heart next to mine.